Welcome to class Upper KG. This is our maths period. Today date is Thursday 24th December 2020. Firstly we will do oral drill. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we will revise months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, now we will revise season name. There are 4 seasons in a year: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Okay, now class, tell me, how's the weather like today? Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Sunny weather, rainy weather, windy weather, cloudy weather, foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Today is foggy weather. Now we will revise table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. We revise shapes, SHAPES shapes. Okay, tell me which shape is this? Circle. This is circle. What is the spelling of circle? CIR, sir, CLE, circle. Which shape is this? This is square. This is square. What is the spelling of square? SQUARE, square. Now tell me which shape is this? This is triangle. TRI, try, ANNGLE, triangle. And last one is rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECT, rect, ANNGLE, rectangle. Now we will revise teen words, TEE and teen, WORDS words. 13, THIR, third, TEE and teen. 13, FOUR, 4, TEE and teen. 14, FIF, fifth, TEE and teen. 15, SIX, 6, TEE and teen. 16, SEVEN, 7, TEE and teen. 17, EIGH, 8, TEE and teen. 18, NINE, 9, TEE and teen. 19. Now we will revise table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will do maths workbook, page number 51. First of all, you will write short date 24-12-2020. Today our topic is write down the T words. 20, TWEN, TYT, 20, 30, THIR, third, TYT, 30, 40, FOR, 4, TYT, 40, 50, FIF, fifth, TYT, 50, 60, SIX, 6, TYT, 60, 70, SEVEN, 7, TYT, 70, 80, EIGH, 8, TYT, 80, and last one is 90, NINE, 9, TYT, 90. Okay, now we will do page number 52. First of all, you will write short date 24-12-2020. Here is our topic is counting number in figures 1 to 50. So we will write counting 1 to 50. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What comes after 21? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50.